Did you know that it's possible to create multiple line graphs like this one to visualize your table data? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have an example table with salesperson's average earnings for the first and the second quarter of years 2011 to 2023. And I want to visualize data in 2 lines for each quarter. To do this, go to Insert tab and in the Charts section click on Line or Area Chart button. Now choose Simple 2D Line Graph, but as you can see, you can also choose some of more complex looking line graphs like 3D graphs. So click on the first option. As you can see, the blank chart area was added. Now let's input some data. To do so, right-click on this empty chart area and pick Select Data. Now we have to specify data sources for our graph. On the left side in Legend Entries, click on Add button. As a series name, write let's say average quarter earnings, and in series values remove everything and select data from the first quarter column. And as you can see, the basic line graph is slowly showing. Now to add the second line graph, just do the same as previously. So again in Legend Entries, click on Add button and in Series Values remove everything and select data from the second quarter column. Now we have to add years to the bottom. In Select Data Source window, click on Edit button in horizontal axis labels on the right side. Now we will make the same as previously with earnings columns. But this time we will select data from year column. As the last step, click on OK. And now you can choose different styles of our new line graph or even background or color. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create multiple line graphs in Excel to visualize your data. If you have found this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. See you soon.